knows what we'll find out here?
Don't lose your focus, Slippy.
Keep it tight. We're entering the asteroid field.
Scientists say these asteroids used to be a planet. I wonder what happened to it.
The whole system might look like this if the war keeps up. Don't let those rocks ding up the R-wings.
Do I look like a bad guy?
My whiskers are twitching. Something's wrong.
It's a trap. Take him down.
Aim for their heads.
Strange, this tunnel doesn't look natural. Some sizable asteroids coming this way.
Hit the brake. Boost or you'll be crushed.
Brake, boost, make up your mind.
Incoming hail from the Great Fox.
Location confirmed. Sending supplies.
Fox, watch your back.
They're on me. Thanks, kid. Lock on and take them out with one shot. Enemies approaching from behind.
Oh, wow! Persistent laser tech! Another tunnel? What could have done this?
Good shot, Falco. Now we're even.
It's not a competition, Falco.
Maybe not to you.
You're making a big mistake, fellas! What'd I tell ya? The energy is dispersing. Weird.
Never give up. Trust your instinct.
Something's unusual about those rocks.
Shoot him, Fox.
I cannot allow you to go any further.
Enemy shield analyzed.
Let's see what you're made of.
That blast shield is absorbing your laser fire. Aim remote core. That's the right idea. Keep at it.
You're more cunning than I thought. I underestimated you. Let's see you outmaneuver this! I'm no match for you, Starfox. I admit defeat. It's a trick. Don't let your guard down. You're not as stupid as you look. I can't believe I lost to this scum!
Sorry to Jet, but we've got places to be. Nice job, team. Status check.
That thing was punching holes through the asteroid field.
Seems no corner of the system is safe from Andross.
You worry about your own hide.
A new intelligence report is available in the HoloViewer.
Starfox, you've made it through the asteroid field just in time. Andross's army has targeted 2 of our forward military outposts. The Defense Force is responding, but we're overextended. The only outpost within reach of your current location is our base on Fachina. I'd like you to deploy to the ice planet immediately.
The Fachina outpost is super remote and sparsely staffed. Why even bother with it?
It isn't exactly common knowledge, but Fachina is the site of Carnaria's Strategic Intelligence Headquarters.
Intelligence? You mean secrets. Bet that's where General Pepper keeps his dirty laundry.
So, the enemy's targeting Fachina because they're after your military secrets. Am I warm?
I can neither confirm nor deny. Suffice it to say that Fachina is critical to the war effort. Reclaim that base, Starfox, before it's lost to us forever.